Good morning, welcome back to my life. It's morning on the day of cruft. Number of hours sleep? 4. If I look like death, it's because I feel like death. I didn't get the best sleep last night, did you, Mum? I don't know what happened to my voice then. We're just gonna feed the puppies and then we're gonna go walk them. We've got to leave them for a while today whilst we go into crufts, but I have a little doggy camera to check that nobody steals them or kills them while I'm away. Not paranoid at all. I feel like I'm getting ill again. So me and my immune system need to have words with one another. This is not standard protocol. Feed in the zoo. Don't mind my mum just abusing the dogs. She's abusing everyone. Last night we went into bed and she decided it was a good idea to sleep with the window open, and there was 2 little elephants because this place is called the Elephant Studio. And I got clonked on the head with some elephants. Apparently we were just on a mission to smack me about yesterday, and she also hit me on the way to the toilet, so if I've got any brain cells left, it's a wonder, really. Level of croakiness 10 out of 10. Speak to you when I actually look like a human being again. Bye. Hi again. I'm ready now and I am more awake. It's been a morning of mixed emotions. The atmosphere's a bit hostile. We've got mum cutting her fingers off, banging heads, burning fingers. Scalding hot water. The water in this Airbnb for some reason either is scalding hot or freezing cold. So if you're not awake on the morning once you've washed your face, you certainly are. Mum nearly cut her finger off, so she's trying to make it so she's only got 9 instead of 10. Good start to the morning. I brought a dog camera all the way here, and of course it's decided it's not gonna work. I shall just have to spend my entire day hoping the dogs are okay. I'm fine. I'm I'm not fine. Yeah, it's going good. It's going good. We're on the way into crufts. I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready for the cuteness. You're about to see so many furs, so many squishy wet noses. I always get excited every single year. We come here every year. The long walk to doggies. Are you excited, Mum? Yeah. Today is Hound Day. There's gonna be lots of long-nosed hounds. What's your favourite hound? Dachshund. Oh yeah, of course. Dachshund. Sausage dog! I think my favourite hound is, I was going to say the Afghan hound, because they're so cool. Oh, I just love them all, they're so cute. I found some dogs! Whippets! We're currently lost as always. We're always lost in this goddamn place. We're at Starbucks. I must be the only person in the world who doesn't get excited about Starbucks. If you're a tea drinker, I've got some tea for you. The tea from here is shit. The barista, or whatever you want to call her. And Costa just did me a solid. Costa? Did I say Costa? I don't even know where I am. The barista, proper name, at Starbucks just did me a solid. She gave me a whole cup of almond milk for free. My homie. Never said homie in my life. Now we've got our drinks sorted. First stop, Dachshund sausage dogs. My mum loves sausage dogs. My mum's a lover of the sausage. You're gonna die when you see this.
Yeah, that's it with me. Do you know how you get any work done? I don't. Why were they crazy?
I'm not crying, you are.
Back it up. To the floor.
Mum's made a friend. Careful, Mum. Mum's trying to sabotage the dog show. The dog's like going to the ring. She's like, no, I must do more cuddles. Worried she might steal the dog today, I'm not gonna lie. Look at them, the little sausages.
Let's face it.
Walking around the ring. His head is literally bigger than my head. You're a face. Look at you. That's a dog face. That dog was a baby and I could like strap a saddle on and ride it. I don't think you'd honestly comprehend how big these dogs are in real life. Just chilling. I was having a rest. Hello. Hi. You're very pretty. Yes. For a minute that dog was like, she's speaking my language. Comment down below what film has got like a Irish wolfhound in, because I can't remember. Bag of dogs there. Bag of whippets. Was gonna give me a kiss, I was like, maybe not. I'm in love. Good boy. Oh my god, look at these doggies. Why does that dog have better hair than I do? Not sure how I feel about that. She is beauty, she is gross. Hi! Oh, hello baby!
Used to be wearing the best.
Hey! Oh! I've got a bum in my face and I couldn't be happier.
Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you are.
Look at you! No, you're thinking about giving me a kiss, but you're not sure. He's like, not sure about you. Look at all these little Border Terrier dudes.
Who's so sleepy? Who are they? Where's your ball? Where's your ball gone? Are they walking?
No, they're dead. He did the head tilt on us. Can anyone resist a dog head tilt? Because if you say you can, you're lying. Look at this. Oh. Oh, you're a heartbreaker. Look at it. Oh, look at you. Oh, good luck. Oh, sweetheart, I won't leave you. Oh, my heart. Ouchie. They're in love. Oh, sweetheart. Are you coming for another snog? I've just been snogged by a Bedlington Terrier and I couldn't be happier about it. Lighting's not very good here, my voice is kind of going. I'm so happy, full of joy from all the fuzzy, wuzzy dogs that I've cuddled and snuggled and muggled. Just having a little rest. My voice is about to go. I think it's from all this screaming. Ah, it's a cute dog. I'm on a mission to find mum some ice cream. My throat sounds like it could do with ice cream. I'm not having any ice cream because I'm a vegan and we don't have any fun. What the heck? I found an Italian greyhound. Charming, I get my camera out to show me the bum. What's this? Oh! Yeah. Got your attention now, eh? Oh, got your attention now. He wanted my dead cat. What big ears you have, all the better to hear you with. This is the moment when mum's gonna steal the dog. Back at the Airbnb, I'm losing my voice. The lighting's awful in here, so it looks like I'm in a dungeon, but really we're just back at the flat. I'm keeping mum hostage. Hope you're enjoying all that wonderful dogginess. If you enjoyed part 1, subscribe. Comment down below so I know there's someone out there. Bye!
wow, wow.